of addition, inverse of subtraction, inverse of multiplication, inverse of division. However, you have this problem that says n minus 6 divided by 2 equals negative 6. If I was to ignore the right side of this problem, let's say that it said 1 minus 6 over 2, and it just said equals, and there was not a number over here. What would I do first? On this here, what would I do first mathematically? Yeah.
Times 2 to cancel that out.
No. Stop. You're right. So stop. Keep that line of thinking. But that's not what I asked. So if I was here on this part of it here, not a real. This isn't the problem. 1 minus 6 divided by 2. What would I do first? Yeah. Yeah, I would subtract the 1 from the 6, and I would get 5. Right. Now, here's what I need you to think about. Specifically, you, Justin, since you just got that. When you're undoing a problem, right, you do it backwards. So if you would have done the 1 minus 6 first, then divided by 2, to undo it, you do it backwards. So Hayden was right. To undo this over here, you're going to multiply by 2 on both sides to get rid of the 2. So he's right. Multiply by 2 on both sides. These 2's will cancel. You get n minus 6 is equal to negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. And then now what do I got to do to undo this? I want to get rid of this minus 6. Add 6. And if I add 6, I do it to both sides. N drops down. These cancel. Negative 12 plus 6 is negative 6. And if you're not sure how to do this, you should use Desmos Scientific Calculator. Negative 6 is what we're looking for. So, keeping that in mind, which one do I want to get rid of? I've got n plus 3 over negative 10 is equal to negative 2. Do I want to get rid of the 3 or the negative 10 first? The negative 10, and I'm going to do it through multiplication. I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 10. These cancel. N plus 3 drops down. And it's equal to negative 2 times negative 10 is positive 20. How do I get rid of the plus 3? Subtract 3. Now I've got n. These cancel is equal to 17. Same thing here. What am I getting rid of? The 6 or the minus 3? The 6. So times 6 on both sides. I'm left with a minus 3 is equal to 6. How do I get rid of the 3? Add 3 to both sides. I get a is equal to 9. What do I do? 5 or 2? Which one am I getting rid of? 2 times 2 times 2. I'm going to be left with negative 10 is equal to m plus 5. How do I get rid of the 5? Subtract. Very good. Negative 10 minus 5 is negative 15. And then the m just drops down. The other two cancel each other out. So here we type in negative 15. Am I trying to get rid of the negative 1 or the 6 first? Times the negative 1 on both sides. I'm going to get negative 6 plus n is equal to 0. How do I get rid of the negative 6? add 6. The 6's cancel. 0 plus 6 is 6. This should be 6 here. So I have a paper that I want to go over before we move on to today's assignment.